Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is such a beautiful and wonderful day to be with you today. So today I have a very interesting and important topic to share with us, and it is titled how to reduce salt intake. You know, we can actually do this by making it a thing of habit to always check the nutrition fact label of whatever we purchase. I actually have a video titled how to check the nutritional fat or fat labels of foods that we purchase, so you can do well by checking out that video. So you know, with the increased incidence in production of highly processed food, people tend to consume more of this highly processed food because they are quick to prepare, you know, and with that most times you get some of them that have a high level of salt in them, and when they are being consumed over a long period of time, they tend to lead someone or whoever it is that is consuming them will get prone to having high blood pressure or heart diseases or stroke. So in this video I will go through how to reduce salt intake, the recommended standard by WHO, that is World Health Organization, on the daily amount of salt needed for adults and children. Please stay with me on this while we go through this. Thank you. In general, it is actually important that we try to curtail or reduce the quantity or the amount of salt that we consume on a day-to-day basis. You know, we just have to be conscious of that fact, because most times we are so busy that the highly processed food, they are very quick to prepare. You just take them and eat them, and you see yourself doing this over a period of time. And the funny thing is that as we do it, we don't even know the damage it's causing to us, especially if we are not meticulous on checking the nutrition fat label of the food that we buy. So it is actually very important, and it is very necessary in order to avoid the incidence of developing high blood pressure or heart related diseases and condition. There is this powerful saying that goes this way: the greatest wealth is health. It is actually very true, because if you're not in a good state of health, you can't enjoy your wealth. You can't enjoy anything that you have worked for, because your whole life will just be, you know, going to the hospital, having to treat this, having to watch what you eat. You can't even eat what you want to eat because of this whole the whole cascade of not being healthy. So it is very important that we start now. It is not late for us to start reducing the amount of salt we take on a daily basis. It is not too late. It is still very early to do that. It's just something we'll have to do. So it's just something we have to do consciously. It's not something that we're ignorant about. We just have to try to inculcate the habit of always checking the nutrition fact label, because it will actually tell you the amount of salt that you're going to be getting from a particular product. And most times when you're informed about what you eat, then you would now know how to combine those ingredients properly. And it is good to go natural. Most times, if it is possible, it is good to go for organic products, because when you go for organic products, you'll be sure that it has some quantity of salt, and when you combine 1 or 2 or 3 of these natural products, you get the taste out of them. So with this, we'll be coming to the end of this today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and please remember to comment on this video, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to view any posts that I have. Having said this, our health in general is in our hand, but in summation of it all, it is the Almighty God that will keep us, and then keep us well in good health, because that is his actual will for us all. Stay blessed. Bye.